1. NASA probe captures closest ever view of the Sun. Parker Solar Probe breakthrough. 2. First ever close-ups of the Sun. NASA's Parker Solar Probe breakthrough. 3. NASA's Parker Solar Probe captures unprecedented images of the Sun. 1. NASA probe captures closest ever view of the Sun. Parker Solar Probe breakthrough. Prepare to be amazed, NASA's Parker Solar Probe has just delivered the closest ever view of the Sun, giving us an unprecedented look at our solar system's fiery heart. This groundbreaking mission is more than just a technological marvel, it's reshaping how we understand the star that makes life on Earth possible. But here's where it gets controversial. Some scientists argue that studying the Sun's outer atmosphere could unlock secrets about space weather that might save humanity from future disasters. Are we ready for what these revelations might mean? On December 24, 2024, the Parker Solar Probe embarked on its historic journey toward the Sun, coming within approximately 3.8 million miles of the solar surface. To put this into perspective, imagine standing at the edge of a blazing inferno but still managing to snap clear photos and gather critical data. That's exactly what this probe did as it ventured through the Sun's outer atmosphere, equipped with state-of-the-art instruments like the Wide Field Imager for Solar Probe, WISPR. These tools allowed it to capture breathtaking images and collect vital information about phenomena affecting not only Earth but the entire solar system. So, why does this matter? Well, the Sun isn't just a glowing ball in the sky, it plays a pivotal role in shaping conditions across space. For instance, the solar wind, a constant stream of electrically charged particles ejected by the Sun, can wreak havoc on satellites, power grids, and communication systems here on Earth. The WISPR instrument captured detailed visuals of this solar wind racing out from the Sun's corona during its record-breaking flyby on December 25, 2024. These stunning images provide researchers with new insights into how the solar wind behaves once it escapes the Sun's grasp. They also highlight something fascinating, a boundary where the Sun's magnetic field shifts direction, flipping between north and south. And this is the part most people miss, the implications go far beyond pretty pictures. By analyzing these findings, scientists hope to pinpoint the origins of the solar wind and better predict its effects on Earth. Predicting solar storms, for example, could help prevent widespread blackouts or protect astronauts traveling to distant planets. Yet, despite all the excitement, there's still much debate about whether humanity fully understands the risks posed by our nearest star. Could a massive solar flare one day disrupt modern civilization as we know it? Or are we overestimating the threat? Looking ahead, the Parker Solar Probe isn't done yet. Its next close encounter with the Sun is scheduled for September 15, 2025, when it will dive even deeper into the Sun's outer atmosphere. Each pass brings fresh opportunities to refine our understanding of the forces driving the solar wind and their impact on planetary environments. As NASA continues to analyze the wealth of data pouring in from this mission, one thing is certain: every discovery raises more questions than answers. What do you think? Should we invest more resources into studying the Sun to safeguard our planet, or are there other priorities we should focus on first? Share your thoughts in the comments below, we'd love to hear your take. 2. First ever close-ups of the Sun. NASA's Parker Solar Probe breakthrough. Imagine a camera surviving a journey through the Sun's scorching corona and sending back unprecedented images. That's exactly what NASA's Parker Solar Probe achieved. While Earth-based cameras require solar filters to photograph events like eclipses, NASA engineered a revolutionary camera that flew through the Sun's corona without melting. This mission captured groundbreaking close-ups of our star, revealing details never seen before. The probe ventured within 3.8 million miles of the Sun's surface during its passage through the corona. Its Wide Field Imager, WISPR, recorded mesmerizing black and white footage of solar winds and charged particles dancing through space. This isn't just about stunning visuals though. The data collected helps scientists study solar phenomena at their source rather than from Earth. Controversially, some argue this $1.5 billion mission prioritizes scientific curiosity over practical Earth applications, but what if it actually benefits humanity more than we realize? Here's where it gets fascinating. By analyzing solar winds at their origin, researchers can improve space weather predictions, protecting satellites and astronauts. These solar outbursts create Earth's auroras too, meaning better forecasting could help astrophotographers capture the northern lights more reliably. But here's the part most people miss. The probe's heat shield withstands 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit temperatures not because the corona isn't hotter, it reaches millions of degrees, but because of its extremely low particle density. This thermal protection breakthrough could inspire future spacecraft designs. The mission already reshaped scientific understanding. Solar winds aren't steady streams but chaotic flows twisted by magnetic switchbacks, and the corona's boundary proved unexpectedly uneven. These discoveries honor heliophysicist Eugene Parker, who first theorized solar winds in the 1950s. As NASA continues analyzing collisions between coronal mass ejections captured in the footage, we must ask, should space exploration funding prioritize pure science missions like this, or focus exclusively on Earth's immediate benefits? What's your take? Are these cosmic close-ups worth the investment? 3. NASA's Parker Solar Probe captures unprecedented images of the Sun. Imagine witnessing the Sun's fury up close, just 3.8 million miles from its scorching surface. That's exactly what NASA's Parker Solar Probe has achieved, capturing the closest ever images of our star and revealing secrets that could reshape our understanding of space weather. But here's where it gets controversial. These images might challenge our current models of solar wind, forcing scientists to rethink how the Sun influences our entire solar system. These breathtaking close-ups, taken during the probe's record-breaking approach in late 2024, showcase the solar wind in unprecedented detail. This constant stream of electrically charged particles, hurtling through space at over 1 million miles per hour, is more than just a cosmic breeze. It's a powerful force that shapes auroras, strips planetary atmospheres, and can even disrupt our technology here on Earth. And this is the part most people miss. Understanding the solar wind's origins is crucial to predicting its impact on our planet and beyond. Parker Solar Probe has once again transported us into the dynamic atmosphere of our closest star, said Nikki Fox, Associate Administrator at NASA's Science Mission Directorate. We are witnessing the birthplace of space weather threats, not just modeling them. This data will revolutionize our ability to predict and protect against these events, safeguarding both our astronauts and our technology. Equipped with the Wide Field Imager for Solar Probe, WISPR, Parker Solar Probe captured stunning images of the Sun's corona and the solar wind. These images reveal the heliospheric current shift, a crucial boundary where the Sun's magnetic field flips direction. Even more remarkably, WISPR caught